Have you ever wondered what the best foods are to promote health and well-being in our beloved seniors? It's no secret that nourishing our bodies with nutrient-rich foods becomes increasingly important as we age. Today, we're going to delve into the world of food that not only tastes good but also does good. We'll explore the best dishes packed with vital nutrients that are especially beneficial for our seniors. So, are you ready? Join me, Jack, as we explore these delicious and nutritious options. Our main course today is baked salmon, an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are the unsung heroes of the nutritional world, offering a myriad of health benefits. They are essential for cardiovascular health, helping to maintain a regular heartbeat, reducing blood pressure, and lowering cholesterol levels. But their benefits don't stop at the heart. They're also vital for our brains. These fatty acids aid in cognitive function, potentially warding off memory loss and cognitive decline as we age. So if you're looking to keep your heart healthy and your mind sharp, look no further than this flavorful fish. The beauty of baked salmon is that it's not just nutritious, it's also delicious. Its rich, buttery flavor makes it a favorite even among those who aren't typically fish lovers. So go ahead, include this nutritious fish in your diet regularly. This flavorful fish is a must-have in your regular diet. Pair our main course with a green leafy salad. As we delve into our vibrant side dish, let's not forget that these leafy greens are more than just a pop of color on our plate. They are powerhouses of vitamins and antioxidants, vital for maintaining our health and well-being. Now, imagine a refreshing mix of spinach leaves, their dark green hue hinting at their rich iron content, and crispy romaine lettuce, a fantastic source of vitamin A and K. But don't stop there. Add in some colorful bell peppers, crunchy cucumbers, and juicy cherry tomatoes to not only amplify the taste, but also pack in a variety of nutrients. You see, each vegetable brings something unique to the table. Together, they create a symphony of flavors and a medley of health benefits. This colorful salad is not only pleasing to the eye, but also packed with nutrients. So next time you're planning a meal, don't forget to include a generous helping of this green leafy salad. To add a delightful touch to the meal, we have mashed sweet potatoes. These humble tubers are not just tasty, but they pack a nutritional punch too. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Moreover, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, a robust immune system, and healthy skin. But that's not all. These vibrant veggies are also loaded with potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. Beyond these benefits, sweet potatoes have a soft texture when cooked and mashed, making them a perfect choice for those with dental sensitivities. They're easy to chew and swallow, and their naturally sweet flavor makes them a hit with everyone. This side dish is not only delicious but also gentle on the teeth and rich in nutrients. Mashed sweet potatoes truly are a delightful and nourishing addition to any meal. To wrap up our meal, we have something sweet and nutritious. Picture this, a bowl of creamy, plain yogurt crowned with an array of colorful fresh fruits. It's not only a feast for the eyes, but also for your body. Yogurt is a superfood packed with probiotics that support digestive health. These friendly bacteria help keep your gut in balance, promoting overall wellness. Plus, yogurt is a good source of protein, calcium, and vitamins, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. But wait, there's more. The addition of fresh fruits takes this dessert to a whole new level of healthiness. Fruits are high in vitamins and fiber, crucial for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Whether it's vibrant berries, juicy citrus, or sweet tropical fruits, they all bring their unique flavors and health benefits to the table. This dessert is a perfect blend of sweet and nutritious. It's a delightful way to end a meal, leaving you satisfied yet light and energetic. So there you have it, folks. Today we journeyed through a menu of nutrient-rich options, from heart-healthy baked salmon to fiber-packed sweet potatoes and the digestive benefits of yogurt. But remember, this is just the starting point. It's crucial to adapt these choices to cater to individual tastes and nutritional requirements. After all, the ultimate goal is to nourish and cherish our seniors, ensuring their health and well-being. Until next time, wishing you and your loved ones health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others.